Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start. What should I talk? I think I should talk about what I do today. And I do something different. I know I'm just want to listen English, but today I do something out of my study. What I did, I watched some video. There are lots of knowledge and lots of question also. And I find that why this and all people are same. What is I find the truth of life. I'm not saying that I'm exact find I'm absolutely find the solution. No, I'm not telling you that. I'm just share with you that what I heard today. And this is the fact we all need to accept. We all need to live with reality, and we all need to accept our reality, our truth, all all things. But we never do it because we all think that we should pretend, we should be showcase. But is it necessary? Isn't that? No, I think this is not necessary because we all try to understand what is the truth and what is the what is the all fault. We all are superstitious because we all think that there are some soul, there are some body, they are connected, and at some point they became separate. Isn't required for a isn't required truth? Isn't required for a truth? No, it's just illusion. It is just illusion. So make your mind clear about it. What are you trying to say and what and why? Some people, and by majority of cases, there are lots of people who believes that there would be some soul, there would be some like voodoo. But this is not, there are not existing point in all these thoughts. About all these thoughts, we all need to understand how to be clear in our thought. First of all, we all are confused in our thoughts. We never try to understand our thoughts. We only assume our thoughts and try to think problem as it is. But it's not necessary. It's not it's not truly truth. It's just your illusion, it's just our illusion. We should take a one step, that we should question ourselves. And I really do it. I will try. I am trying to do anything and I'm trying to learn new things. I'm very excited about it. And I'm very curious that what is the before a time I have a various question, lots of questions, that who is the right person. But what I find that nobody is right person. Nobody is right person. They act based on their thought, based on their past activity, past maybe action, all about this. But what you think is most important, and don't act like others life because you think they have it, I have not. What is this? What is this? We all are at the same level. We all are different only at the mind level because we think that is most important. How we think and how our attitude is most important. If you think they are so bad and they have not it, what is this? You have not it. You have to try yourself. You have to try understand yourself. Then take a step to find yourself, not others. What you can do or what you cannot do. If you cannot do, accept that things. If you can, then go and fight for your right. Okay, so this is the fact I want to share with you. I hope I can be eligible to understand you and clear with my thought. Absolutely. And one day I will become a clear thoughter. And I know I'm trying my best every day. Sometimes it will get restless, but sometimes it get harried. But it's not a right strategy. If you need to find a good strategy, that's your all life remains your all life is remains balancing, and most important, balancing is most important in your life. Especially you are not the right, you have a not a choice to suggest anyone that you should do. First of all, you need to do, then you are eligible to do and eligible to say something. Okay, so this is my today's talk. I hope this will give you some valuable speech. Maybe. Thank you so much.